Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have a Ford Escape here, and the person was complaining about a vibration above 60 that goes away at 75. So when we drove it, it felt like, you know, it was in the back because it's in the chair, not in the steering wheel. So we balanced the other side of the tire. It seems fine. So we came over here, and this one here says, you know, 2 ounces. Then it goes 1 ounce. Then it goes, I'm like, we just kept adding weight to it. So we know something was wrong. So let me show you what we found with the tire. The tire is absolutely, completely jam-packed with Fix-A-Flat. And that was causing her major vibration. Now, we did see a nail in the tire. We'll fix that. But yeah, look at that. Looks like a McDonald's peppermint shake in there. All right, everybody. You know, stop leak really shouldn't be using stop leak, but I know when you're out on the road, sometimes you have to. So we'll go ahead and fix the tire, and we'll rinse all this stuff out, and we'll take care of her problem, which was a vibrating car about 60 miles an hour because she had way too much Fix-A-Flat in it. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.